Thank you so much for taking your time to have been here. I remain my name, O.S. Jeremiah, cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country, ICT analyst. Boom markets are coming in cryptocurrency industry. How are you going to get rich? That is the purpose of this episode. So three things you need to focus on. Number one, MCAP. Let me quickly take you into the live market for you to see exactly what I'm talking about. In 2016-17, let me take you to the live chart. So look at the coin market cap where you can see all the entire cryptocurrencies in the entire world. So in 2016-17, I told people that the 100,000, 200,000, whatever you see in the total amount of money invested in cryptocurrency today will cross $1 trillion in the entire world. And today, look at the top, you see MCAP, that is the total amount of money invested in cryptocurrency globally. And as of today, it is $1.1 trillion globally. So the same market cap you see now will boom, will multiply, and will increase rapidly in the next boom market. And if things go as planned, if things goes based on my cryptocurrency specialist review, this total amount of money you see above, which is MCAP, invested in cryptocurrency globally, will rise and surpass even $5 trillion from $1 trillion globally. Means when you invest $1,000 or $10,000, you are going to reap 5x, which is $50,000 in the next bull market. So please, this is the number one thing I want you to focus on to understand what is going on in cryptocurrency industry. Number two, focus on over 2 years cryptocurrency you can invest. Look at the screen very well. All these are the different kind of crypto. So what you need is to choose the one you are going to invest in for over 2 years, no matter how the money you can bury there in the cryptocurrency industry, so that by the time market recover, you will be in initial profit. For instance, Bitcoin all-time high was around $70,000, and the price is 28,234 as I'm speaking to you now. It doesn't matter, the price might even crash a little bit more after this episode. But the good news is that in the next bull market, Bitcoin will recover $70,000 and surpass all-time high price. So you have already know what you're going to profit from this $28,000 you are seeing live on the screen. So that is the purpose of boom market. The boom market will allow you to get rich. It will allow you to change your story. But Bitcoin is the least profitable project you can focus on when it comes to the cryptocurrency industry. As at now, we have 572 exchanges in the cryptocurrency market, and we have 23,001 cryptocurrency live in coin market cap. So you just need to find the one or two or three that will change your story entirely. It is as simple as that. The third thing you need to focus on in the bull market is access to world-class cryptocurrency mentor. As you are hearing my voice now, my followers used to call me cryptocurrency specialist because I've been trading quiet years upon years before cryptocurrency came alive, almost 10 years, and other markets like stock and forex before cryptocurrency became popular in Nigeria in 2016-17. And when it comes to trading, when it comes to global markets, especially this crypto, I can't say that I'm one of the best I'm not the best, but I'm one of the best in the entire world. So how can you get rich in the next bull market? You need access to world-class crypto mentor. You need access to one of the best crypto leaders in the entire world. You need access to the mentor that will show you the actual direction of the market. You need access to the mentor that will tell you what you need to trade on the temporal market, medium-term market, what you need to focus on a big picture that will change. What is your problem? Okay, what are you going to profit if everyone is getting rich in the next bull market and you don't have anything to show? So please take cryptocurrency serious as you are watching this episode now. If you are watching this, you are one of the most luckiest human creatures in the entire world. So please take crypto industry very serious for you to change your life entirely in the next 2020, in the next 2023, 24, and 25 boom market. Because of in every boom market, cryptocurrency industry used to produce a whole lot of millionaires globally. So that is the three things you need to focus on. I have millions of things you need to focus on, but let's cut it off shortly in this episode. Good news. You want to become the cryptocurrency they want to become the best cryptocurrency expert in the entire world. Um, gain access to my cryptocurrency specialist mentorship. This international website is exactly what you need. This international website is exactly what you need, and you're going to gain access to my over 10 years of experience trading across the market, especially in trading anything market trading. I have world class cryptocurrency or learning secret, money making opportunity, money making practical video inside this website that will teach you everything you need to know for you to multiply your life like 100x minimum in the next bull market. Whether you like it or not, people are going to make 1000x again or 1000 times return on investment. But if you can join this website, you gain access to my mentorship and you gain access to me directly for me to take you high in the next bull market. So what you need is when you join this website, so you are going to see the link below this video if you are watching live with you. So when you click the link, you are going to arrive in this website with the name worldinternetbillionaires.com. Worldinternetbillionaires.com. So when you get here, click register. So when you click register, you are going to see payment information. You fill your form and you pay through your ATM. You pay using your ATM through Paystack, and Paystack is the best payment system. Paystack and Flutterwave are the two best payment system in the entire African continent. So we use Paystack for this website, and it is just 50,000 Nigerian naira yearly, something you can make in a day in cryptocurrency industry, and you will gain access to my mentorship directly without any story. But another good news is that so you just fill your information here and pay through the pay. You see Paystack, pay through Paystack. You see WIP 50%. Good news. This is my birthday week, and I want to help you succeed. I want to help you get into the cryptocurrency industry for you to gain massively in the next bull market. I want to help you change your story. I want to help you multiply the present level you are now by 100x million in the next bull market. So this week is my birthday week. If you are watching this episode now, today, which is 22, you are one of the most luckiest person ever in this wonderful generation. So I'm running 3 days powerful episode empowerment program in this week, and I'm going to give you access to my coupon code. And so this 3 days program will close in 3 days. I started yesterday, which was 21st of March year 2023. So it will go live in 21, 22, and 23 of March year 2023. So 3 days empowerment program. So what you're going to do is that contact me through the WhatsApp number below this video on YouTube, and for me to give you a coupon code that will cut off 60% off, not even 50% off. So instead of you to pay 50,000 for good 1 year to gain access to this website, you will pay just 20,000 for good 1 year. Imagine, and you will gain access to my crypto specialist mentorship. So you can now see that if you are watching this now between 21, 22, and 23 of March year 2023, you are one of the most luckiest woman creatures ever in this wonderful generation. So what are you still waiting for? You are not going to pay 50,000. You are going to pay just 20,000 for good 1 year, and you gain access to multi-million secrets of what you need in cryptocurrency industry from my cryptocurrency trading specialist experience, and you will multiply your life rapidly between now and the next 1 to 2 years in the next bull market. The bull market is coming, and the bull market as usual will produce fresh millionaire. It will produce a whole lot of billionaires. It will produce the richest people in the world again. What are you going to show up? Are you supposed to be missing this? Internet money is your birthright. No matter what is going to cost you, never miss internet money by all means. Another good news. Lastly, why I am rounding off. In World Internet Billionaire, the website, this website I just showed you now, this website, World Internet Billionaires, you see it on the screen. We have revenue sharing program because we want World Internet Billionaires international website www.worldinternetbillionaires.com to spread around the world so that people will join and be free from different kind of financial calamities so that they will be free out of poverty. So we have revenue sharing program in this website. This is an international website. You can help us direct people globally. So we have, look at the screen very well. We have 5 billion people globally that can join this website. Let's say in this year you manage to get just 2,000 people. 2,000 multiplied by 50% with as usual. 2,000 multiplied by, we usually pay 50% of 50,000, which is 25,000. So if this year you can refer 52,000 out of 5 billion people globally, 2,000 multiplied by 25,000, which is your 50% in per member. So that is 50 million Nigerian naira for you this year alone, and you can get 5,000 or 10,000 people. This is just 2,000. Let's say you are watching this from the foreign country. So our website is 50,000 or $60. Half of $60 is $30. Multiply $30, that is 60,000 for you this year. Referring just 2,000 people to our website so that this website will spread globally and people pray. So now the question I'm going to ask you is, what are you waiting for now? What is holding you back? Click the link below now and register, and you're going to gain access to my WhatsApp to collect a coupon code for you to pay 20,000 instead of 50,000. And in the next bull market, you are going to get rich and laugh and laugh and laugh and finally joyful and rule the world. Thanks for watching. Take action below now and you're going to finally happy. Jeremiah Smene, thanks.